Hello everyone, it's me, Max West. I draw comics and children's books, and today I'm on day 3 of the 30-day drawing challenge, and today I'm going to draw the deuteragonist of Sunnyville Stories. I'm going to draw Sam Macgregor. She's a very sweet country girl who befriends Rusty after he moves. I'm just going to draw a very simple framework here first with 2H pencil. Sam's the voice of reason. You know, she keeps an eye on Rusty, makes sure he doesn't do anything stupid. She'll also call him out if he does do anything stupid or he says anything wrong. Alright, there we are. Got a basic skeleton there. She's a very sweet teenage girl. Just going to give her her default outfit. Just a basic jumper and blouse. Alright. Pull out the eraser here. She spent all her life in a small town, Sunnyville. Rarely wandered out of that small town. There are some people out there who have a healthy dislike of small towns and rural areas. Why? I have no clue. Alright. Let's add in her ears. She has rather brownish ears, has whitish fur. There we are. So that's Sam's tail here. Alright, let's just shade in some of the dark areas here, like her eyeballs, those brownish ears of hers. Bit of shading there as shadow. And there we go. Another drawing down in the 30-day drawing challenge. Sam Macgregor of Sunnyville. Be sure to join in tomorrow for even more drawing videos. Until then, this is Max West saying goodbye.